Well, this is a beautiful Saab 900 with Pirelli tyres. And it looks like it's from about 1984. It must be a late 1984 because it's got the facelifted grille, although it's still a flat front. It's one of the first with that grille, because that was the kind of 1984-85 facelift grille. And it comes with leather. It's one of the APC system cars with a sliding sunroof. But those wheels are from a slightly earlier model. But I think it adds a little bit to it. It adds a little bit of bling to the car. It's a very special car to me, and I think those wheels work really well. What was Saab renowned for? Well, they were the first to bring out the turbos, really, mainstream turbos. And having a turbo back then really meant something. Not like the sort of decade where everything was a turbo diesel and everything was turbocharged. These were really exotic for being turbocharged. When this car came out, the only other car that was turbocharged was a Renault Fuego and the Renault 18. That was about it. There were no turbocharged cars apart from what Saab were doing, which was very, very impressive at the time. This car would do 130 miles an hour easily, 0 to 60 in 7 seconds, with loads of puffing and blowing. It's drama from that engine as it does its thing with the turbo working hard. I think they have a Garrett turbo which works really hard to propel this car like a rocket ship, and they're really something special. If you haven't experienced one, I would recommend that you give it a go. They not only look brilliant, they sound good. It's like a little rocket ship. There's nothing like a 900 turbo. There's nothing like it. You've got to experience it to understand. And you know, it's a big heavy car, big luxury heavy family car with sports car performance. It would give a Porsche 944 a run for its money. It will leave a Rover SD1 3.5 litre Vitesse behind a few seconds because that turbo does all the work. And this has got the APC system, as I say, which is the automatic performance control or electronic system that helps the turbo work together with that 16 valve 2 litre engine. What an incredible thing, and so rare today. This one's been restored by the owner, and the last time I saw this car, it was the NEC last year. It was parked on the Saab stand, and of course the lighting when you are inside is not quite as good as when you see them outside. And here it is basking in the sunshine. And what's that V8 that you can hear in the background? That's Martin in his Mercedes, and here he goes. That's a very, very impressive car indeed, with a 6.3 litre V8. So there you go, flat front Saab turbo from 1984 with leather.